Hi guys, thanks for staying tuned to my channel. I welcome you all. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. We are preparing scrambled eggs today. These are the ingredients as you can see. This is sliced onions, medium sized. This is salt. This is seasoning cubes. This is sliced tomatoes. This is sliced bonnet pepper. This is vegetable oil. And this is egg, 4 medium sized eggs. So we'll start by cracking the eggs and whisking it together. So guys, we are back. I've already turned on the gas and it's on medium heat. So I'll start by putting in the vegetable oil. Let me see. So just a little. Leave it to warm. So as it's warming up, you can see. So you can turn in the sliced scotch bonnet pepper. So stir it together. Already sizzling. You can put in your onions. I like onions, so that's why I used the whole onion, just the medium size. So I'm not putting in the tomato now. I want the onion and the scotch bonnet pepper to fry together first. Let's cover it for some minutes, like 2 minutes. So guys, we are back. It's 2 minutes. So let's stir it together. You can see the vegetable oil is not that much. So too much of oil is not too good. So that's why I use just a little. So now we can turn in our sliced tomatoes and stir everything together. By now, the seasoning cube can go in. I'm using just one. Then salt can also go in. So stir everything together. Then cover it up for another 2. So guys, it's 2 minutes. The next ingredients we are turning in, the next and the last ingredient is our egg. So I've already whisked it together. So the egg is going in. This is how you're going to turn it in. So now we are going to stir. You can choose to add other ingredients, but I just want to keep it simple. You can add more vegetables like carrots, like green peas, like spring onions. You can also add corned beef. You can add you can add fish. You can add shredded chicken. Anything you choose to use, you can add. But I just like to keep my own simple. So that is why I'm doing this. So now our scrambled egg is almost ready. So I'm just waiting for it to fry all together. So you can see. So we are going to be serving it with sliced bread. I will show you the end product when it is ready. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And stay tuned for the next video. See you. Bye bye.